Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for coming to watch a video today, and it's going to be a Temu haul, not too many things in it, and then one thing from AliExpress. But before I get started, I just wanted to say hi to my subscribers and welcome my new subscribers that have recently come. I really appreciate everyone that's been sharing my channel and my video about the Christmas embellishment challenge that I'm having. And I'll link that video in a pinned comment if you feel like you want to watch it and maybe enter. It's open to everyone, USA, Canada, and international. Okay. So I've been seeing everyone sending their swaps in such cute little packages and stuff. So I did get a couple of boxes. This first one is a lipstick gift box. And of course it holds a little lipstick or chapstick or that kind of thing. But you could put a little bottle of sequins in there. So I'll have to cut this out and see how it works out. It was $3.04. And I like that they show a little picture, include that. And you can go on their YouTube channel for tutorials about these. So I really like that. And another box that I got is this one. And right now this is out of stock. But it makes a box that is 3 inches by 3 inches. And it has all the scoring and folding marks on it. So I have to cut it out. It looks so simple, right? And I hope it is. Unfortunately, it is out of stock at the moment. And I'll leave one shopping link in the description box, and you can just click on that and it will show you everything I bought, because I did have some price adjustments on these things. I did get these 100 pieces of these little bags. I thought that these were the coin envelopes that have been eluding me at Dollar Tree. I just can't, I can't find them there. And I don't think this is a coin envelope. It's more like a little paper bag, which, you know, is good to put small die cuts and stuff in if you're sending them to someone. And you could decorate these up any way you wanted. And I now have 100 of them, so I'll probably be sharing some in Happy Mail and giveaways. Okay. And one of the things that I have been wanting for a long time is this waterfall die. It was $3.95, and I think you're all familiar with what this does. And I just figured I better have one in my stash so someday I can practice making these, and I hope it's not very hard. I did get some beads, and I put them into this paper tray here because I wanted to show you guys like the fallout that these sugar beads had. But I, you know, picked them up and rubbed my hands on them, and there's no glitter on my hands. I think from when they were shipping and they were rubbing up against each other, that's how that fell off. But I did want to tell you about it. And you get 20 pieces. It was $2.39, and these are 20 millimeter beads. so they can go on the pokey tools in the pens and things like that. So I thought that was a good price for 20 of them. So I got this little Memory Decks Mickey Mouse head. It was $2.99. And it measures 4 inches, I think. Yeah, 4 inches by 3 inches. And I think it's really cute. I really don't have anything Disney in my stash, so I got that. And I also got this little embroidery hoop set. Well, let me turn it. I think this could be a shaker. It was $2.26, and it comes with all these stitched pieces. This piece here is, I'm really wondering about cutting that out and what that's going to look like. And you get 3 of them. So there's this size, and then this teeny tiny size. So I guess you could make 3 sizes of shakers with this too. So I thought that was cute. Don't move. Alright, next I got this little palm tree. And this was $2.21, but I did get a price adjustment on it. I liked the size of this one especially. I know summer's over, but I will keep it for next year. It's 4.5 inches tall and 2 inches wide. And the little one is 3 by 2. So both of them are pretty good sizes. Here is another die, and this makes a box also. And it's really hard kind of to explain what that's going to look like. So I did pull it up on my phone. So here it is, and these measurements were very accurate as to this, and this is what it looks like. So when you fold it, it almost looks like a upside down pyramid with a handle. That doesn't even make any sense, but I think it will make a cute little package to put things in. And those are not my review pictures that I made with this. I haven't made anything with it yet, actually. And the last thing I have to show you actually come from AliExpress. And it's this 2-piece Christmas tree die. And I will link this also. So I'm sure it makes a shaker, and this is what it looks like. And how much was that? Oh, it was $3.25. It's from that company, KLJUYP, which is like impossible to pronounce. So I'll just shout out the letters. KLJUYP, go. Oh my God, I'm silly today. All right, guys, I gotta go, and I will see you next time with something new.